Factors influencing and problems faced by farmers in purchasing insecticides for Kaman in Dhrol Taluka, Jamnagar district, Gujarat, India. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background: as the backbone of the Indian economy, agriculture continues to be the main sector driving the Indian economy. India's GDP is 17% derived from agriculture, while 60 to 70% of the population is employed in this sector. In agriculture, pesticides have been the primary method of pest control since the early 1950s to manage pest organisms such as insects, fungi, weeds, and nematodes. Recently, the application of pesticides in Kaman farming has surged dramatically. And this situation has considerable implications for negative effects on human health, the environment, and overall biodiversity since Kaman is one of the major spice crops grown in India. Methods: the data gathering utilized a semi-structured schedule conducted via personal interview method for both Kaman farmers and agri-input dealers. The research employed a non-probability sampling technique for primary data collection. The study was carried out in the region of Dhrol Taluka in Jamnagar district. The gathered data were analyzed through several analytical methods, such as tabular analysis, Pearson chi-square test, Garrett's ranking technique, and weighted average mean. Finding: the results demonstrate that the predominant group of respondents were middle-aged individuals who had a primary level of education. The majority of the farmers possessed land holdings varying from 1 to 2.5 hectares. And within this group, the portion of land allocated for Kaman cultivation was smaller than 1 hectare. These farmers possessed an average of 21 to 30 years of farming experience. The majority of farmers mainly depended on farming as their profession, with some also participating in animal husbandry. Regarding annual earnings, most farmers generated between 1 to 5 lakh rupees. The study indicated that price was the main factor affecting the decision to buy pesticides, with quality and brand name following. The lack of access to credit facilities was recognized as a significant issue faced by farmers, along with the elevated costs of inputs. Among the promotional efforts, demonstration was identified as the most impactful in pesticide purchasing choices, with farmer meetings coming next. For agri-input dealers, the primary challenges faced were low margins, increasing costs, and high competition. Conclusion: the study highlighted the demographics and characteristics of farmers and dealers involved in the agricultural sector. It also identified key factors influencing the purchase of insecticide, promotional activities used by agri-input companies, and the problems faced by farmers and dealers in the process. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.